Understanding web and mobile software. Software applications are at the core of how individuals and businesses operate in today's digital world. These applications can be categorized mainly into two types: web applications and mobile applications. Both have distinct characteristics, capabilities, and benefits. So, what is web application? A web application, or web app, is software that is accessed through a web browser rather than being installed on a specific device. Web apps are dynamic programs designed to be responsive and interactive, delivering functionalities such as online shopping, word processing, email management, spreadsheets, and much more. Since web apps are browser-based, they can be accessed from any device with internet connectivity, eliminating the need for installation. Web applications are typically developed using HTML5, JavaScript, CSS, and server-side programming languages like PHP, Python, or Ruby. These technologies enable developers to create applications that are platform-independent and can run on various operating systems such as Windows, macOS, or Linux. What is mobile application? On the other hand, mobile application development refers to the process of creating software that is specifically designed to run on smartphones, tablets, and other digital assistants. Most mobile apps are created for two primary operating systems, Android and iOS. These applications can be downloaded from respective app stores like Google Play or the Apple App Store, or they may come pre-installed on the device. Mobile applications serve a wide range of functions, from communication and social networking to navigation, e-commerce, gaming. The development of mobile apps requires a variety of programming languages and frameworks, such as Java, Swift, C#, and Flutter, to name a few. These tools enable developers to build applications that provide an intuitive and tailored experience on mobile devices. Future of mobile and web applications. The demand for mobile application development has surged in recent years, driven by the increasing reliance on mobile devices. Mobile apps play a pivotal role across industries such as retail, telecommunications, e-commerce, healthcare, insurance, and government. As consumers expect seamless, real-time access to services and information on the go, organizations are compelled to develop mobile solutions that meet these expectations. In fact, mobile applications are often the most preferred method for users to connect to the internet, offering convenience and accessibility anywhere, anytime. For businesses, building the right mobile app is essential to staying competitive and meeting customer, partner, and employee demands. The future of mobile and web applications. As technology continues to evolve, so will mobile and web applications. Companies will continue to innovate to bridge the gap between these two types of software. For instance, progressive web apps, PWAs, are a hybrid of mobile apps and web apps, combining the best of both worlds. PWAs allow users to install a web app on their device and use it offline, while still being accessible via a browser. Additionally, the advent of new technologies like 5G, artificial intelligence, AI, and Internet of Things, IoT, is likely to shape the development of both web and mobile applications, making them even more powerful and capable of providing real-time, intelligent, and interconnected experiences. While web apps offer broad accessibility and are easier to maintain across various devices, mobile apps stand out for their rich user experiences and deep integration with device features. Depending on your specific needs, whether it's for general accessibility, deep integration, or offline functionality, you can choose the type of application that best suits your goals. For businesses, developing the right application, whether web or mobile, can lead to better customer engagement, streamlined operations, and enhanced user satisfaction. As digital transformation continues to shape industries, understanding the unique capabilities and advantages of each platform will be key to staying ahead in a competitive market. Future trends in web and mobile software. The future of web and mobile software is exciting, with several emerging trends that promise to shape the industry. 1. Progressive web apps, PWAs. PWAs offer the best of both worlds, combining the features of web and mobile applications. They provide offline capabilities, fast load times, and a native-like experience while still being accessible through a browser. 2. AI integration. Artificial intelligence (AI) is becoming more integrated into both web and mobile apps, offering personalized experiences, intelligent chatbots, and enhanced data analysis capabilities. 3. AR and VR, augmented reality (AR) and virtual reality (VR) technologies are gaining momentum and are expected to become more prevalent in both web and mobile software, providing immersive experiences in fields like gaming, education, and retail. For 5G connectivity, the rollout of 5G networks will improve speed, reduce latency, and provide a more seamless experience for both web and mobile applications. 5. Voice and gesture controls. Voice assistants and gesture-based controls are becoming increasingly popular, especially in mobile apps, and are expected to see greater integration across both web and mobile platforms. Characteristics of web and mobile software. Web apps are dynamic programs designed to be responsive and interactive, delivering functionalities such as online shopping, word processing, email management, spreadsheets, and much more. Web software development process. Web software is typically built using three primary components. 1. Front-end, client-side. This is the part of the web application that users interact with. It includes the visual elements, design, and functionality that users experience. Technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are used to create the front end. 2. Backend, server-side. The backend handles data processing, business logic, and server-client communication. Technologies like Node.js, Python, Ruby on Rails, and PHP are commonly used for backend development. 3. Database. Web applications rely on databases to store and retrieve data. Popular database technologies include MySQL, PostgreSQL, and MongoDB. For a web application to function smoothly, all three components need to work together seamlessly. Characteristics of web software. 1. Automatic updates. Web apps are updated automatically on the server side, meaning users always have access to the latest features without needing to manually download or install updates. 2. Centralized data storage. Data in web applications is stored remotely on servers, which helps with efficient data management, backup, and security. This also ensures that users always access the most up-to-date version of the application. 3. Cross-platform accessibility. One of the key advantages of web applications is that they can be accessed on any device with a web browser, such as desktops, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. This makes web apps versatile and platform-independent, as long as the user has an internet connection. 4. No installation required. Unlike traditional desktop software, web applications don't require installation. Users can access them directly through a web browser, saving storage space and time. Advantages of web software. Cost-effective. Developing a single web application for multiple platforms is often more affordable than creating separate apps for each operating system. Ease of maintenance. Web applications are easy to maintain because updates are rolled out on the server, eliminating the need for users to perform manual updates. Internet dependency. Web applications require an internet connection to function, which can be limiting in areas with poor or no internet access. Universal access. Users can access web applications from any device with a browser, making them versatile and convenient for a wide audience. Challenges of web software. Performance issues. the performance of web applications may be slower than that of native apps, as they depend on server communication and may be affected by high traffic or server-related issues. What is mobile software? Mobile software refers to applications designed specifically to run on smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. These apps can be native, built for a specific operating system like iOS or Android, hybrid, a mix of native code and web-based technologies, or cross-platform, developed to work on multiple platforms. Mobile software development process. Mobile app development can be divided into the following categories. 1. Native mobile apps. Native apps are created using platform-specific programming languages like Swift for iOS or Kotlin/Java for Android. These apps are tailored for a specific operating system and generally provide the best performance and user experience. 2. Hybrid mobile apps. Hybrid apps are built using web technologies, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and wrapped in a native container. They can run on multiple platforms but might not offer the same performance as native apps. 3. Cross-platform mobile apps. These apps are built using frameworks like React Native or Flutter, which allow developers to write code once and deploy it on multiple platforms. They strike a balance between performance and development efficiency. Key characteristics of mobile software. 1. App Store distribution. Mobile apps are typically distributed through app stores like the Apple App Store and Google Play. These platforms offer a structured process for submitting, approving, and updating apps. 2. Device-specific. Mobile applications are typically designed for a specific operating system, such as iOS or Android. This means developers must create separate versions for each platform to ensure compatibility. 3. Native device integration. Mobile apps have access to the device's native features, such as the camera, GPS, sensors, and other hardware elements, allowing for richer and more interactive experiences. 4. Offline functionality. Many mobile apps can be used offline once installed, making them particularly useful in areas with limited or no internet access. Advantages of mobile software. Device-specific features. Mobile apps can take full advantage of the device's hardware, including the camera, GPS, sensors, and other native features. Enhanced user experience. Mobile apps provide a more immersive and personalized user experience, with features like push notifications and the ability to work offline. Superior performance. Native mobile apps typically provide faster performance and better responsiveness compared to web apps. Challenges of mobile software. App Store regulations. Submitting apps to app stores can be a lengthy process, and certain features may be rejected based on platform guidelines. Continuous maintenance. Mobile apps require regular updates and bug fixes to ensure smooth performance and security. Platform-specific development. Developing separate native apps for iOS and Android can be time-consuming and costly. Mobile applications have transformed how we interact with technology, enabling activities ranging from social networking and entertainment to shopping and productivity. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to visit our online educational platform at www.eduslides.com by registering for free courses. Guess what? You can as well earn a certificate of completion after completing your course, and you don't have to pay to register. Why not subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more videos by clicking the subscribe button below?